Good day class. In this video we are going to solve exercise number 4.1. So question number 1 is the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. So we don't know the cost of notebook and we also don't know the cost of a pen. So what we have to do is just take the cost of notebook equals to x. Let cost of notebook equals to x, then cost of pen equals to y. Okay, so according to question, the write a linear equation in two variable. So what we have to do is the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. So this is the cost of notebook and this is the cost of a pen. Okay, when we make it twice, then both becomes equal. Okay, the cost of a notebook is x and the cost of a pen is y. If we twice the cost of a pen, then they both becomes equal. So our equation will be x equals to 2y. It's our final answer. Okay. Next is question number 2. Explain the following linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So what we have to do? Explain or change the equations in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0. So what we have to do? The format is of standard equation ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Okay. So question number 1 is 2x plus 3y. First, 2x plus 3y equals to 9.35. Sorry, 9.35, and there is a bar over 5. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to change this equation in the format of this. It will be 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar equals to 0. Okay, where a equals to 2, comma b equals to 3, comma c equals to minus 9.35 bar. Okay. Question number 2 is x minus y upon 5 minus 10 equals to 0. Second, x minus y upon 5 minus 10 equals to 0. So it is already in the standard form. So here a equals to 1 because we can also say it 1 into x. So a equals to 1. And what is the value of y? b equals to 1 by 5. And it is negative, so it will also be minus 1 by 5. So we can write it like this, minus 1 by 5. And the value of c is equals to minus 10. Minus 10. Done. Third, minus 2x plus 3y equals to 6. Minus 2x plus 3y equals to 6. So what we have to do is we have to change it. So when we change it, it will become minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. Okay. So here a equals to minus 2, a equals to minus 2 and b will be plus 3. comma c will be minus 6. Fourth question is x equals to 3y. X equals to 3y. Done. So what we have to do is x minus 3y equals to 0, where a equals to 1, b equals to minus 3, and c is equals to, there isn't any constant number, so c is equals to 0. Okay. Next we have to do question number 5. So I am erasing the board. Question number 5. 2x equals to 5y. 2x equals to minus 5y. Or okay. So what we have to do is, it will be 2x plus 5y equals to 0, where a equals to 2, comma b equals to 5, and c is equals to 0. b equals to 5 and c is equals to 0. Question number 6. Question number 6 is 3x plus 2 equals to 0. 3x plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, or we can say it 3x plus 0y plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, so where a equals to 3, comma b equals to 0, and c is equals to 2. Done. Next, question number 7. Question number 7 is y minus 2 equals to 0. Y minus 2 equals to 0. Or we can say that 0x plus y minus 2 equals to 0, where x equals to 0, comma y equals to 1, and c is equals to minus 2. Minus 2. Done. Question number 8. 5 equals to 2x. 5 equals to 2x, or we can say 2x equals to 5. So what we can do is, we can say 2x plus 0y minus 5 equals to 0, where a equals to 2, comma b equals to 0, comma c equals to minus 5. Okay, this will be your final answer. Okay class, these were the question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise number 4.1. For exercise number 4.2, you can watch the next video. Thank you.